And the last thing we need is for... Calm down! You gonna tell me to calm down? I got reporters walking up to me talking about real estate fraud, talking about money laundering. Those are some dirty words, son. I can't have them words being slung around in the middle of a goddamn mayoral campaign. Clean it up! You Frank's boy?
Something like that.
Simple yes or no question warrants a simple yes or no answer, son.
What do you need me to do?
Boy's got some attitude. You best be careful with that, lest you end up like the dog.
What dog?
One that went and bit the hand feeding it. Now listen, there's a boat docked at the marina called Sunny Side Up. You need to get that boat and then call me.
Is that boat yours?
I'm sorry. I must have missed the part where I asked if you had any questions.
Hey. We interrupt this program to deliver breaking news. Gamblers and cocktail waitresses alike were impressed by a successful robbery committed earlier today at City of Saints Casino. Some witnesses commented that the whole affair seemed, quote, like a movie. Authorities are combing the City of Saints vault for clues, but at this point, forensic evidence has not been found. Police Captain Hamlet stated in a press conference earlier today,
"This robbery was either an inside job or committed by highly trained professionals. I am very, very impressed."
Stay tuned as we are updated on the situation.
Are you sick of the farcical butter soap hell you silly Yankees call life in America? Well, mon ami, there is an answer. The French baguette. A little piece of Paris in Las Vegas. Here at Le French Baguette, the croissants are always fresh.
Stop! I'll have the money soon. Stop!
You're behind on 2 months of Vig.
Please. I got a family.
Should have thought of that before you gambled with money you didn't have.
Oh, man. Thanks.
I'm looking for a boat called Sunny Side Up.
Huh? That's my boat. What do... Oh, man, you guys won't let up. Just take it.
Tell Carson to dump everything before tomorrow's death.
I got the boat. Done.
Good.
Hello?